Occasionally, you may find that you inadvertently entered the same item into inventory twice, or you have two items you prefer to track as a single item. Merging them allows you to combine the two items into a single item record with the combined history of both. You specify which of the items' records is kept and which is removed. Let's go to the item list. Keep in mind that only two items can be merged at a time. Both items must be of the same type. So they either have to be inventory, service type, group type, or assembly type. Merging of assembly or group items requires that both items include the same component items. Merging items can be done at the headquarters only. To merge two items from the item list, we will select two of the HP computers. We're going to choose 44, the item number 44, and we're also going to choose item number 46 to merge. Now when they're not close together, you have to click the Control and your left mouse button to choose the other inventory record. Now if you were going to choose two in a row, you could just highlight on the inventory item and then press your Shift key and then the down arrow. But we want to choose 44 and we want to choose 46. We will go to the I want to menu and choose merge. The merge items window is open. The item to be kept is shown on the left and the item to be removed is shown on the right. Review the items to ensure that they are correct. So this one is item number 44 and this one is item number 46. You can merge the items. If you need to swap the items to switch the sides, you can do that. But again, we want to keep the one to the left. We will choose merge items. If the item being removed was included on prior transactions or is a component of another item or another assembly or group, a list of documents and item records that will be affected by the merge is displayed. A confirmation dialog is displayed when the merge process is complete, and it does show that the merge has been successful. We'll click OK. And now you can see that number 46 is gone and everything, all the history is merged into 44. Keep in mind that the quantities of the merged items are combined. All other values are preserved from the item record you select to keep. If necessary, you can edit the retained item after merging to revise these values. Point of Sale automatically creates adjustment memos to combine item quantities and to update your inventory value. If the removed item had an average unit cost different than the retained item, these adjustment memos will have a reason-filled entry of merge item. All instances of the removed item on history documents, order documents, and active but not saved physical inventory counts are replaced with the retained item. However, the item cost is not recalculated on affected history documents. If you have an on-hand quantity of the removed item with printed price tags, you may have to reprint those tags from the retained item record so they include the correct item identifier, such as the barcode, price, etc. And lastly, any inventory changes resulting from an item merge are sent to the remote stores with the next store exchange file. However, remote store history documents that are updated at headquarters when merging items are not sent back to the remote stores. The remote store history will continue to reflect the item circumstances in place at the time the original document was made at the store. The merge item procedure can also be initiated from the duplicate item reminders window. Now with all that information, we have completed how to merge an item record.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.